Hey Phoenix, what do you want me to do? You want me to throw you the toy? Huh? Huh? All right, let's see.
Let me.
There, I was with my left hand. All right. Layla says she wants to.
I found a lizard.
Hey! Oh, look at the chameleon. Hold on, guys. Don't move. There's a chameleon. There's a chameleon. Look at it. First sign of spring, guys.
That's why I didn't catch it.
No. Don't catch it. I want to film it. Phoenix, go away. Chameleon. Georgia chameleon, guys. All natural.
I catch it and showed up close on the camera.
Did you? Oh my God, Drew, the lizard catcher. Wow. Hold on. Let me see it real quick. Hold it still. There it is. There it is. Here.
Here, I got it. It's a biter.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. It just opens its mouth. That's fine.
Okay, hold it still. It's this chameleon.
Can I hold it?
All right. We'll let it go.
I want to hold it real quick. We're going to hold it.
We're going to do a video, guys.
But I don't want to hold it real quick.
All right, guys. We're going to try to work on the dirt bike track today a little bit. And I'm working with this new Joby tripod thing. And there we go. That's better. We're getting our house painted, by the way, guys. That's why there's all these trucks over here. The whole house is getting painted. Springtime. And like I said, I was gonna do a video of us building on that dirt bike track. And there's Liv. Hey, baby.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi, Daddy. Livy.
Say hi. Yay. It's Layla. Hi, Liv. She likes to wave to me, guys. Look how she waves to me.
Hi.
Wait. No. Hold on. Don't say anything, Layla. She's going to wave to me. Say hi, Liv. Hi. Hi. Come on, wave to Daddy. Wave to Daddy. You do it all the time now.
Say hi. Oh.
All right, guys. So we got the chainsaw right here. The Echo. We got the dogs. We have Drew right there. There she is. Look at her. It's Drew. How's it going, Drew? That was really good of you to catch that lizard like that. I didn't know you knew how to catch lizards.
Dad, Daddy, sneak up on them.
You snuck up. You were so good. What are you looking at? Is there a bee up there?
No, there's a wall. No, it's a bee.
I hope not. Bees love to eat in our house. This is like a log house, guys.
No,
I
Dad.
don't know if you knew that, but
Daddy,
we're getting this painted right now. It's gonna be like 2 or 3 different colors, right? And this is the first color.
The bee's up there.
Where? You saw it up there?
I saw it up there. I looked up. Lie down!
Where? Where?
Lie down!
Oh yeah. That's a bee. I don't know if you guys can see it up there or not.
It's screaming. It's like 20 feet away from you.
Whoa, Nathan.
All right, so Nathan, how are we going to fix this dirt bike track thing?
We're not. We're going to fix it.
We aren't? We
I
are
said
or
we
not?
we're not. We're going to fix it.
Okay, so bring the tools. We got gloves, safety glasses right there. Actually, I'm going to use Jimmy's dirt bike glasses.
And let me go get
for
the
flying debris, because I'm going to chainsaw some trees down. And you can hold this like this while I'm sawing.
Wait, what are we gonna make?
We're gonna fix the dirt bike track up a little bit. There's this dirt bike to test it out. There's Phoenix. That's again, she wants to play. There's Bubby. Say hi, Bubby. Say hi, Bubby. You wanna go get it? See, Bubby wants to play too, guys. Bubby wants to play too. Go get it, Bubby.
That's the one.
Phoenix hoards the toy. So Layla has the gloves and the safety glasses.
No.
You have the clippers. Let Drew carry those, and you carry the chainsaw. I know, but you just to carry it over there. Let her carry that, and then you can get the chainsaw. Just get the chainsaw too.
What am I gonna do?
You just bring yourself and be pretty. And see if you can catch another lizard. And look out for bees for us. See if you can catch another lizard. Look out for bees. That way, if there's any bees or wasps around, you can tell us so we don't get stung. Okay? Is that a good idea? All right. Thanks, Drew. All right. Nathan's got the chainsaw. The thing's oiled, gassed up.
like this.
What, Drew?
Remember to subscribe to my channel.
Oh, Rainbow Wolf Squad?
Yeah.
Say it.
Rainbow Wolf Squad and
Don't do that.
Yeah, no. Take that away from her. She's gonna.
remember to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.
Now, what's the name of your channel?
Rainbow Wolf Squad.
What kind of content are you gonna be having on there?
Like some dirt bike videos.
Are you gonna really get on your dirt bike again one day?
No.
Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
I can practice with you.
No.
All
Guys,
right.
these are the
Next
things
time.
that-
Hold on. Next time you get on, it will be way better. Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Banana smellers.
That's the banana smellers?
Yeah.
Hold it up real quick. He says these things smell like bananas, guys. What kind of flower is that? Just post in the comments if YouTube will let us.
Smell it and tell
Phoenix.
them if it smells.
Oh, wow. It does. It smells just like a banana. Seriously, guys. Phoenix, sit. Speak. No, I said speak. You want this? Speak. No, speak. 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 Good girl. Speak.
Guys, did it really smell like banana?
Yes.
Okay,
did.
so let's
All
go.
right.
Let's grab these.
All right, let's get this. Did they bring the, oh, they're painting
We
the
got
shed
all-
and
we
fixing
got all
the
the
shed and
shovels.
everything.
We got
I
all
want
the
you guys to
shovels.
clean that trampoline off too, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where's Addison? Is he going to be in the video?
He just
All
got
right.
home from school. He needs to
Addison just got home from school, and he's going to be in the video. Hopefully he'll come out. So this is going to be the trail right here, guys. Of course, you've seen it in the video before. Go down here. Of course, he set some debris up, I guess. Did you put that up?
What do you mean?
The debris field? Are you going to jump over these logs right here?
No. This is I just put sticks in a pile so I can bring them somewhere to
Yeah,
burn.
well, that's a burn pile right there, guys.
Oh,
So all these logs and stuff can go right there.
I'll jump over for a log for them.
Okay.
You ready?
Wear your shoes, Drew.
I don't need them.
Okay.
It's fine. We
Alright,
don't
go.
wear shoes usually.
Go. Wow, good job.
I can too, guys. Look.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, and if you guys want to check out Drew's channel, Rainbow Wolf Squad, they actually found a treasure chest right there, guys. Right there. It's really exciting. Go check it out.
Yeah, for
Rainbow
real.
Wolf Squad with like all kind of secret stuff. So if you want to see what they found, check out the video. What did you make?
Just like a burnout pit and like a little jump right there, but they messed it up.
Okay, take us around and tell us which trees. You can bring the chainsaw.
No, it's fine. I just wanna, and I wanna bring my axe. I just
We'll be
just
working
wanna bring
over
my
here.
axe right now. Okay.
So go around like we're gonna jump. Which trees do you want taken down? Where your jump's at, you got the logs in the way and you got that brush in the way. You could have drugged that and put it in the burn pile. That burn pile is right there. So if you want to put
You want me to
anything
do
to
that for
burn,
you real quick?
no, we'll do it in a minute. You can bring that real quick and get out of the way.
But here's my axe. I sharpened it a little bit, like a teeny bit. Like I did it like 20 times on each side.
Nice. Look at it, guys.
I did it pretty good.
Look at it. Clicking hatchet. We'll put that. That thing's heavy, guys. It's like a pound and a half. No, that's in your trail. Get out of the way. Throw it that way more.
Wait, guys, I got a better idea.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something.
All right.
Guys, what?
right
I
back.
have a better idea.
And I'll tell you what it is.
Okay. Good idea. Nice. What are you guys doing? Just digging a hole?
No. We're getting dirt up so we can make a dirt bike thing.
Yeah,
Dirt bike
I
thing.
did all this by
Oh.
myself.
What?
I made-
Because
This
it
is
wasn't
the dirt
flat or
road.
something?
I made dirt.
Come here,
Okay.
guys. I found the wall.
He made dirt, guys.
Guys, I found the wall.
You can't make dirt. It just comes.
You found another worm?
Same one.
You did not.
Yes, I did.
You see it.
We're using that to jump Nathan.
Good job, Drew.
Check out.
Yeah, can you make a jump out of that dirt?
I guess.
I don't think you can because this is like soil. This isn't dirt.
Oh, okay.
You might be able to,
You
but
can do whatever you want with it. You got to pack a lot of it. If
I
you want
found
to make
another worm.
Nice. Keep finding them. We'll use them for fishing bait.
Okay.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Found
All
another
right,
worm.
he's putting on the gloves, guys.
Here, I'm gonna move this up here.
Gross. Good. Nice.
There we go. One stick. These, I cut down these trees
You
with,
cut all those trees down?
with that little pickaxe.
No way. It'd be better with the other thing, right?
Yeah, way better.
He wants me to cut all these trees up here down, guys. That one, and that one. And then, so he can have a good jump, and maybe the one behind it.
I want to have a little track, like a pretty medium-sized track.
All right.
Like.
Cool. Good job. Then we'll have some stuff to burn later on.
I got a lot of these thorn needles, so when I jump, I don't get in the thorn needles.
All right, how much have you cleaned up so far?
I've just cleaned up that little pile and
All right,
everything.
cool.
So what? So I'm gonna tell them like.
All right, go ahead.
So we're just gonna come down here.
Yeah.
And then I think Dad's gonna cut these 3 right here, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make this. Since you can't really jump up here, I'm gonna make like a little dirt pile that will make it come up to here and then jump.
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be a big jump.
Yeah.
Because that's already a good sized jump.
I can't really get air above it though.
If that tree was wasn't in the way, and you got speed, oh yeah, you get some good air on that. Look, guys, let's see what it would look like. This isn't all the way to the ground. Going around, come up. What do you think?
I'm still gonna add some more dirt so
Okay.
I can get some high. Like,
Okay, so continue.
like a jump right here and then like right here, and then I'll fly all the way over there.
All right.
I don't think I need to make it that high. Maybe like that high.
All right.
And then make it and
Just
then
like
I'll
taper
make
it off on the top.
yeah, and then make like a little landing right there.
Like
that? You know what I'm saying, Daddy? See, like this tree sucks. You know what I'm saying?
No, it doesn't suck. It's just in the way. So we'll take that tree down.
That
tree
one,
down?
that one, that one, that one, that one,
Okay,
that
so we got
one.
4 trees definitely we're gonna take down today.
Yeah, big
Okay.
ones. But we're gonna take down a lot more.
Well, we'll take 4 down today.
4?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we'll cut them up. We'll cut
and
them
then
all up.
next video we'll do some more.
Okay, so you're gonna film me taking them down, okay?
Okay.
All you gotta do. All right, I'm gonna show him how to use this camera, and we'll be back.
Okay, so my dad's gonna put on his gloves real quick.
All right, let's put on some gloves. I'm gonna put on some safety glasses. Crank up the chainsaw.
But we need to be careful because these are pretty tall trees.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go get the chainsaw. And we have Drew still over here. She is like fixing the burnout area for dirt bikes and also finding worms for fishing and stuff. You having fun, Drew, today? You having fun, Drew, today?
Yeah.
What do you have to say to everybody? What do you have to say?
I'm finding dirt.
Nice, good job. And Layla's over here. What are you making today, Layla?
I'm just making.
Hey, Layla, can
Just
you
making dirt?
No, making a pile.
Layla,
Making a pile of
actually-
dirt. So that dirt right there is going to be for your jump?
Some of it.
Okay, cool.
And then I'm gonna spread. But guys, Layla, I think I want you to spread all this dirt out because it's not gonna burn out good. Because when I first did it, it was like really like good and the roots weren't there.
Yeah.
But she dug all the dirt up. Now there's lots of roots. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right, here we go, guys.
Guys,
So we got
watch
the
out. You
chainsaw.
gotta be careful. Let's stay back.
Come on, follow me. All right,
down.
so to use this chainsaw, this is a 2-stroke Echo. Prime it. Prime it right there. You got to turn the switch on, pull the choke out, make sure the brake's on, push that out. It's good. Push the choke back in. No, they're good. Watch this, guys.
Dog.
Sit. Good girl. Speak. Get out of here for a little bit. Okay. First tree's going down. It's gonna be right here, guys. That tree right there. Let's do this. I feel bad because it's a new tree, but anyways, we gotta make room for the dirt bike track. So.
Because I have nowhere room to practice at.
Yeah. The chain jumped.
Is that bad?
Yeah, the chain jumped off the track. I can get it back on. Dang. I think I gotta loosen it back.
See you in a second.
All right, I'm gonna take this off right here, loosen the chain up, and then put it back on track and then tighten it back up. That's all I gotta do. I don't know why the chain jumped off. I just tightened it.
Was
Everything
it too tight?
No.
Because sometimes when it's too tight, it jumps off.
Might have been. We'll get it right. We'll get those trees chopped. Let's see, come on. There it goes. And I hope I didn't break it. What did you find? Oh, she found a lizard. All right. All right, let's head back over there, guys. All right, guys, we're back. So she doesn't get bored.
Daddy, can I hold it like this?
Yeah, you can. It's easier to hold it like this, though.
This is easier.
Okay. All right, so we're back. Let's crank this thing up. And... This one right here is bigger, guys.
How much do you think this one weighs? Oh, like 200 pounds?
Nah, it weighs more than 200 pounds, I'm sure. So,
look at that thing, guys. Wait, yeah. Watch out, Drew. Where's it gonna fall? It fell.
all right, we got it, guys. I gotta get this.
Now, why was it so hard to cut?
Try something. Take this thing right here. This is like called a hammer stump. I'm gonna name this hammer stump. Oh my God.
Die, Mr. Hammer Stump.
All right.
Tell him to die.
Wow. Man, that chainsaw right there, the blade is getting really dull, and
Well, I thought you just said you got a new blade.
no, I sharpened it. I have a new blade. I sharpened it. Well, that was the main tree, right? Or
Yeah.
this was the main tree.
That was the main tree.
This is the main tree right here, right?
Yeah, but I've ran into this tree a lot too.
All right, well, this is the second main tree right here. If I could cut this down, I don't think I can today, guys, because the chainsaw blade is really, really dull right now. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try to get this track ready. That tree was bigger than I thought.
You did?
Yeah.
Can I try to walk across it?
Yeah.
I think it'll will break. But...
No. Go ahead, balance.
I'm gonna try for you guys.
All right, go, 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 go. Stand up. You can't. Yeah, there you go. Don't fall off. If you fall off, you burn in fire, man.
Serious?
Yep. You burn in fire if you fall off. Just think about that. This is your only chance. He's dead, guys. Dead.
No.
Yeah, you died. Last chance. No,
no. Let me start over. Oh, Mario?
Hey, how's it going, Drew? All right, here he goes, his final attempt. Just do it. Don't even think about it. Just go. Make a step. Just go. Know you're going to do it. It's confidence. Okay, let me do it. I'll do it. Here.
My dad's going to try to attempt to not fall in the lava. It's really hard. Trust me, it looks really... It's going to break, guys. Sorry.
It's going to break with me?
No.
Don't say that, man.
Then you're going to fall in the fire.
It's shaky.
Here, let me try one more time.
No. I get 2 chances.
Oh, yeah.
You get 2 chances. Okay.
See if you can do this.
I got to get it situated. Come on.
Watch the tree roll down the hill with you. You got farther than me. You did it?
Yes.
Let me try. That's not fair.
You just got to go for it,
You're
man.
bigger than me, though.
I know, that's what sucks.
No, you got wider feet. It's not fair.
It's not fair. What are you talking about? Let's go. You got to just go for it. That's what I did. I didn't just stand there. Good job, good job. Don't fall. Just take a step. Take a step. Go, go, go. You're right there. You can jump. You did not do it. Well, you kind of did.
Well, let's see if...
Oh, you're dead. Oh, well. You did it kind of one time. All right, all right. Let's get back. Let's see if this chain will actually work. Here,
okay.
Show me. Is trash. I sharpened it today, but I have a new.
Did you put it on easy?
I have a new blade. What is it called? But all right, guys. We'll be back. We got to at least get this tree right here cut down. That one when he flies over this jump right over there.
I don't smack him with that tree.
See? Film the jump.
Yeah.
Now look, he's jumping. He jumps. Look at where he's gonna go. I'm not even gonna look. This is where he's gonna go. Watch. Boom.
And die.
Oh man, it's gonna be bad. So let's go switch the blade out and
we'll be back.
We'll be back. All right, guys. This is the other chain that I got. It's the Oregon. It's for Echo, Craftsman, Pollen Pro, or whatever. So this is advanced cut. We'll see how this chain does, and I'm going to put it on.
So he's going to show you how to put it on.
Put it on real quick, and then we'll see if it actually works.
Wait, how do you put a chain on for this? Is it hard?
First of all, I'm going to make sure this thing's off. tight. Adjusted this. It's a new chain, so it's gonna get loose, but yeah. Feel how sharp it is, Nathan. Come here.
I'm just chillaxing.
Put your finger right here.
Is it? I don't want to.
Just run it.
Ooh.
That's how sharp it is. It's supposed to be like
And
prickly sharp. This is the old chain. I'm gonna try to sharpen this thing back, guys.
And it's
Here's the old chain. Watch out, Nathan.
And it's running more than 1,000 times per minute, right?
1,000 RPMs?
No, like, is it running more than 1,000?
RPMs?
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
revolutions per minute?
No, yeah. Is it spinning more than 1,000 revolutions per minute?
Yeah, I think so. How many revolutions per minute RPMs does the chainsaw run, guys? Just post in the comments if they let us. Phoenix, go get that for the last time. All right, we're gonna do this.
My dirt bike have
RPMs probably like, I would say 16,000 RPMs maybe. It's a small bike. It goes fast. All right, we're gonna go chop that other tree down and chop the one that chop the ones that we chopped down. We're gonna chop them all up in little pieces, and Nathan's gonna drag them all to the burn pit. Let's test this new chain out. How does this sound, guys? Sounds like Nathan's dirt bike, kinda.
Yeah.
All right.
Is that a 2-stroke?
Which way do you want this to fall?
That way. No. Yeah, that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Stand back a little bit, Nathan.
Yes, sir.
Stand back a little bit, like on the top of the hill right there. Oh no, look.
It's fine. Can I cut the video off?
No, I'm gonna get it down. Watch, this is how you get trees down, guys, whenever they get hung up in another tree. I don't know if that's gonna work.
How many pounds do you think this tree weighs?
I don't know. A lot. Stay back, man.
Timber!
Woo! Got it, guys. Woo. All right, we got all 3 of the trees down. Now we have to cut them all up, and I got to get that log kind of flat for him. All right, we'll be back.
Woo!
All right, guys, I got all the trees down. I had to sharpen the chain. 3 times and change the chain out because I cut that stump down right there. That stump down right there.
Yeah, it was really
You can't
hard.
see it. This one right here was bad. I mean, it was so hard. And then that stump right, where's the other one, Nathan? Where is it? Right here. So they're all done. Nathan's gonna have to move all the pieces of wood. So what? Hey girl, let me cut the rest of it. Here, stand back.
Oh, that's sad. She wanted to walk on it.
Yeah, we can do it.
No, you can't.
Cut the rest of this stuff, guys, and then we're gonna move everything to the pile, and then Nathan will do 1 test jump. We'll be back. Hey, there's Drew.
We'll be back, right?
Yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys, we got it done finally. It only took like 3 hours because. Hey, watch out, Nathan. Your sister's right here. Watch out. Help her move this out of the way first. She's like helping like pick up all the wood and you're just riding. Just help her get the wood first. Here, move this out of the way, Drew. Where'd you get this one? This is like an old tree or something? Is this something you chopped down? Here, let's move it over here. Pick it up, Nathan. Pick it up over your head. Just put it over there for now. Pick it up. That's enough, Drew. That's enough. Let me pick up this tin can lid. I don't know if these are even ours. I don't know what that is.
I know what that goes to.
What?
That's to, you know, that sticky, stinky, whatever.
Put it in the burn pit. Watch out, watch out. There you go. Nice. All right, stand back over by that tree, Drew. By that big tree. Drew, by this one. There's a good old Echo chainsaw. Like I said, I had to, man, I was tired after that one. Let's see what he's got. After all that work, you better get some air off there. There you go. Like I said, I slaved on that one. Those trees were bigger than I thought. And that chainsaw blade, when you chop those stumps low, it just kills the blade. Give it a little gas like in the middle. Like stay steady on the gas.
Yes, sir.
That little hump right there is messing them up. The little hump right there. But I'm gonna build that up a little bit right there so we can hit a little bit better air. Here he comes. There you go. Nice. I just hit the camera, sorry. Here he comes. You getting dirt in your eyes, buddy? Yeah, you need to put the goggles on. All right, stop for a second. How's it feel?
It's good. I think I'm gonna add, because you know, this jumps like this. I think I'm gonna add like a little bit more, so it'll come up to like right there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you'll have to pack that down and bring dirt in and all
Yeah,
that.
maybe in like a couple weeks you could cut some of these other trees down.
Why? Which one's gonna get in the way next?
Probably these three right here, the
Okay, let's
triangles.
see.
And then I can make it like
That one for
yeah.
sure. That one.
and that one. And then I'm gonna make a
And
jump
that one
right
right
here.
there.
And then I'm gonna make a teeny jump right
They're
there.
pretty big.
Daddy, I'm gonna make a jump right here.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna make a little jump right there.
So you land on it?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna go.
You think you could jump that far?
Oh yeah, but this is like I can do it a couple more times to get some air.
Okay.
But then I'm gonna cut all those trees down so I can make a turn.
You are, or you're gonna get me to? Again?
I'm going to.
How? With the chainsaw?
No, I could make a turn right there on the outside of that tree.
Okay.
And then come in here and then come back.
Woo! Man, that was a lot of work, guys. Just for that, those 3 trees, but there's most of them right there. Chopped them all up.
Guys,
They're
we're
in the
not
pile.
quite done, but we're.
And then we got the burn pile right there, and they wanted to leave the balance beam. But you saw me; I was the only one that crossed it, so that was good.
Guys, we're not quite done, but we're gonna get finished probably.
Okay, we hit it like a couple more times, but just
Not
give it a
full
little.
speed, right?
What?
Not full
It would be
speed.
steady on the gas. Don't let off the gas. So this is going to be the area right here. We can do all this like a little pit bike track back here, donut burnout area. You know, we widened it out, so we got a little bit more room. Anyways, it's better that he gets some speed. Let's see if he gets some air right here. There he is. Here he comes. Nice. That was better. That was better, but you like you revved it up. You revved it up at the top of the jump.
What?
You gotta be steady on the gas. Whoa, I just stepped in a hole, man. Whoa, that was a good one. way to seal it off. Now go jump it one more time. Jump it one more time and go through the trail and put it up. There he is. That was a pretty good jump. Layla hurt her finger in the garage, guys, really bad while we were working. I'm glad. I thought she chopped her finger off and she just crushed it in the garage door.
No, it wasn't.
Watch out! Watch out! He's coming.
What?
What was that? Oh, you hit a stump. Was that a stump?
What?
Was that a stump that you just hit right there?
Yeah. No, it was a hole.
Watch out. Was that a rock?
I'll do one more because I didn't stay steady.
All right. So Layla, you okay? Oh,
Yeah,
let me see it.
What's the first? What's the, like that? It's white.
I think we'll be okay. Just put us in the grip. There you go. All right, go through the trails.
Daddy, I didn't put. Dad, you know those little lines
Yeah.
that are like they're flexible down at the garage? I smashed it in there.
Oh, sorry, baby. Really, I'm so glad you didn't chop your finger off. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I got some exercise today. We finished doing this part of the track. We told you we would. We finally did. And watch out, Layla. Here's some tree coming. Nice.
Look.
All right, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll bring some more videos soon, and I appreciate it, guys. There's Layla.
Love you.
Glad you didn't chop your finger off. Love you guys.
Love you guys. See you later.
Nathan.
Love you, boy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, show them your burnout pit real quick. Burnout pit real quick. He made a burnout pit right here too. Him, Layla, and Drew actually built that right there. Let's see if he can do it. Cut it hard. What are you doing? There you go. Go. Obvious. Right again. Whoa, guys. You saw that? All right. Yeah, that's some soft dirt right there. Don't mess that dirt up, man. That's good planting dirt. We can plant like some flowers for the track.
Love you guys. Love you, boy. Out.
What do you got to say to everybody? So
love
tell them
you.
a little bit about what we did today,
So we
and how you
just-
felt about it, and what are your plans and for the track and everything.
So I want to cut a couple more trees down and add some more dirt to that so I can get a lot of air.
All right.
Because it's like this when you go up.
Come here and say bye to everybody,
When you
Drew.
go up, it's like this.
Okay.
So yeah, and then, but yeah, and Layla got her finger hurt. So.
Yeah, that was sad. I'm so glad she didn't get hurt worse. And there's little Drew. She helped a lot today. Thank you so much, Drew. Give me some of that. Check her channel out, Rainbow Wolf Squad. And she's up to like 230 subscribers right now, I think.
No.
250?
Yeah.
Wow, good job. All right, guys.
Can I do
We did
one
it.
more
We
jump?
did it.
Okay.
We'll do it next time. Oh, you want to seal it off with one more jump?
Yeah, I'll try to
All
do my
right,
best.
Drew, Layla, stand right here. We're going to watch Nathan jump one more time, and that's it. And then we're going to sign off for today. Thanks for watching once again. Let's see if Nathan can hit the last jump. There he goes.
How are you?
Stand back, guys. Nice. All right, until next time. Stay safe, keep riding.
You know what to do? Stay out Mama.